Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Ananya. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 4 different tools in sites.google.com. So let's see.
They are Embed, Collapsible Text, Button and a Divider. So let's see how to add an embed. Go to the Insert tab and click on the Embed button. Now add a web URL. I am adding my YouTube channel's URL. And click on Insert. The next thing I am going to add is collapsible text. I am going to write here check out my YouTube channel to see many more videos. And then here I am going to write my YouTube channel's name is Fun with Ananya. Now when you take your mouse pointer and click it somewhere, you can see that the second line has vanished. But when you click on the arrow button, you can see that the second line has been appeared again. So the viewer of your site must click the arrow button to see the second text. If you wish that this arrow button should not be here, then you can click on this slider, and now the collapsible slide is off, and now you can see that the arrow is not appearing. The next thing I am going to add is a button. I am going to give the link of my YouTube channel. I am going to write here click me. Click on insert. Now I'm going to drag it over here. I keep it in the middle. And then I'm going to add a divider. So click on the divider button. I'm going to put the divider here. And see that this is the divider. So here we are done with adding all the 4 things: embed, which is this, collapsible text, which is this, button, which is this, and divider, which is this.
Hey friends, hope you liked today's video. Hope it was easy for you to use these tools. If yes, then like and comment below whether it was easy or not. Share and subscribe if this video was helpful, and press the notification button so that you do not miss out any of my videos. The answer for the riddle: this old runs forever but never moves at all. He has no lungs nor throat, but still a mighty roaring call. What is it? It's a waterfall. The next riddle for this video is: what has 6 faces but not wear makeup, has 21 eyes but cannot see? Answer for this riddle in my next video. Bye for now.